Alam nyo ba, ang isa sa mga pinakamahalagang natutunan ko sa parents ko nung bata ako, ayun ay delayed gratification. Ito daw yung resisting an urge to get a reward. Kung alam mo down the road or down the line, may mas magandang reward. Kailangan we need to be able to trust that things will turn out the way you want it. Mas ma-appreciate mo to, iti-treasure mo to, and ma-appreciate mo, let's say, sa fitness journey mo. Hindi mo naman makita yung six-pack abs mo after 1 week of working out, diba? Dapat you still work on your health, your fitness, overall nutrition para let's say in 3 months, in 6 months, may kita mo, worth it pala yung paghihirap ko. And also with our investing life, di ba? Worth it kung ma-achieve natin yung financial goals and dreams natin kahit na volatile yung stock market, but delayed gratification will give us the foresight to get the reward we want down the road, down the line. For more financial tips or life advice, please follow Ramper Financials on TikTok. Cheers!